Bitcoin, a digital currency that doesn't exist in your bank account or wallet, yet its value is worth thousands of dollars. How does that work? Today we'll break down what Bitcoin is and how it functions. Let's get started. Understanding Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a digital currency created in 2009 by an anonymous person or group known as Satoshi Nakamoto. What makes it special? It's decentralized, meaning no bank, no government, and no middleman controls it. Instead, it operates on blockchain technology, a secure and transparent system for recording transactions. Why was Bitcoin created? To understand Bitcoin's purpose, we need to go back to 2008, the year of the global financial crisis. Banks failed, people lost their money, and trust in traditional financial institutions collapsed. Bitcoin was designed as an alternative, a currency controlled by the people, not banks or governments. How does Bitcoin work? Bitcoin works on a peer-to-peer network, meaning transactions happen directly between users without intermediaries. But how do we make sure no one cheats the system? When you send Bitcoin, the transaction is broadcasted to a network of computers called nodes. These computers verify if the sender has enough Bitcoin. Once verified, the transaction is added to a block of transactions. The block is then linked to previous blocks, forming a secure, unchangeable blockchain. Key features of Bitcoin. Now, let's talk about what makes Bitcoin unique and valuable. Borderless transactions. You can send Bitcoin from India to America instantly with no banks involved. Decentralization. No government can freeze or manipulate Bitcoin transactions. Transparency and security. Every transaction is publicly recorded on the blockchain, making fraud nearly impossible. Is Bitcoin safe? Bitcoin is secure, but that doesn't mean it's risk-free. Let's talk about security and volatility. Security. Bitcoin transactions are recorded on the blockchain, making it nearly impossible to hack or alter. Volatility. Bitcoin's price can swing wildly. One day it's up 20%, the next day it's down 15%. This makes it risky for investors but also exciting for traders. Storage risk. If you lose access to your Bitcoin wallet or private key, your Bitcoin is gone forever. Now that you have a basic understanding of Bitcoin, do you see it as the future of money or just a passing trend? Let us know in the comments. In our next video, we'll explore how Bitcoin mining works. So don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of crypto.